If you could give advice to your 25-year-old self, what advice would you give to the young people here today?
Behind the scenes, I've met some incredible young people, smart, talented, and full of potential, coming from a variety of colleges and schools. If I were in their shoes, I would listen carefully to what I just said. Many of them want to stay here because this is their home. Their families are here. Unfortunately, because of bad political decisions, people have been forced to leave. I would say, wait and see what happens in the election. If we win, this area will prosper like never before. It will become one of the most prosperous regions in the country, and there will be great job opportunities here in Michigan. Some young people have told me behind the scenes that they love this place, but they can't find jobs. That's because the auto industry and other key industries have been hit hard. But if we win, the situation will change. Stay here and watch what happens. You'll find success and happiness right in your hometown. We must bring back the American dream that is now rarely talked about. Our younger generation deserves to experience it, and they will experience it right here in Michigan.
Thank you. I look forward to rebuilding auto plants and industry here in the Midwest. Every time I'm on TV or radio, I get a call saying, "The president mentioned you again." Thank you all for coming. Let's give the president a standing ovation.